But if I told you that portals to another world already exist, right here on Earth, no science fiction, no CGI, just real places, so strange, so unreal looking that even scientists struggle to explain them. From fiery craters that never stop burning, to islands that look like they belong on an alien planet. These are 7 real places that look like a portal to another world. Stay until the end, because the final place might be the closest thing to a real gateway between worlds. 1. The door to hell, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert lies a massive, burning crater known as the Door to Hell. This fiery pit has been burning continuously for over 50 years. It was created in 1971 when Soviet scientists accidentally drilled into an underground gas pocket to prevent the release of toxic gases. They set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. It never did. Today, the crater glows day and night, with flames roaring from deep underground. Standing near it feels like staring straight into another dimension, or the entrance to the underworld itself. Point 2. Mount Roraima, Venezuela, La 1:31. Las 2:25. Mount Roraima looks less like a mountain and more like a floating world, with sheer vertical cliffs rising above the clouds. This flat-topped mountain inspired the idea of lost worlds. It's one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, estimated to be over 2 billion years old. At the summit, you'll find alien-like rock formations, endless fog, rare plants found nowhere else, and constant rain because of its isolation. Scientists believe parts of Mount Roraima evolved independently, like a separate world sitting on top of ours. 3. The Eye of the Sahara, Mauritania, 226 to 320. From space, astronauts noticed something impossible to ignore. A giant circular formation in the Sahara Desert, called the Eye of the Sahara, or the Richet structure. It stretches over 40 kilometers wide, and looks like a massive cosmic target carved into Earth. No one fully agrees on how it formed. Some believe it was a collapsed volcanic dome. Others once thought it was a meteor impact. Standing at its center, with endless rings surrounding you, feels like being inside a portal or standing on a symbol left behind by something ancient. By Socotra Island, Yemen, 321 to 420. If aliens had a garden on Earth, it might look like Socotra Island. Over 1/3 of its plant life exists nowhere else on the planet. The most famous is the dragon blood tree, shaped like an upside-down umbrella, with red sap that looks like blood. Because Socotra was isolated for millions of years, life here evolved in bizarre ways. Walking across the island feels like stepping into a parallel ecosystem, one that follows different rules of nature. 5. Lake Hillier, Australia, 421. 510. This lake looks fake, but it's 100% real. Lake Hillier is bright pink all year round, not because of pollution, not because of lighting, but because of microscopic organisms and algae that naturally produce pigment. Even stranger, if you scoop water into a container, it stays pink from above. The lake looks like a portal painted directly onto the Earth. A perfect line between deep blue ocean and surreal, pink water. 6. Devil's Bridge, Germany, 511-2605. Hidden in a forest in Germany is a stone bridge that seems to defy physics. Devil's Bridge forms a perfect circle when reflected in the water below, creating the illusion of a glowing ring or portal. According to legend, the bridge was built by the devil himself in exchange for a human soul. While the story is myth, the optical illusion is very real. When fog rolls in and the reflection aligns perfectly, it feels like you're looking at a gateway to another realm. 7. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean, 606 to 730. No list of real-world portals would be complete without the Bermuda Triangle, located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This region has been linked to countless disappearances of ships and aircraft. COMPASSES, malfunction. navigation systems fail. Some pilots report strange lights and sudden time distortions. Scientists suggest natural explanations, but many questions remain unanswered. Whether it's extreme weather, magnetic anomalies, or something else entirely. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries, and possibly the closest thing to a real portal between worlds. These places are real. You can visit them, but they challenge everything we think we know about our world. So tell me, which of these places feels like a true portal to another world? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing facts. Welcome to Mr. Facts.